Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Helix 12 and getting your transducer correctly mounted. This is critical because angle and depth effect returns. Once powered, insert a formatted SD card. The unit will prompt for software updates, and you should accept them to fix bugs and maps. Make sure the battery is above 50% and wire power through a 3.5 amp inline fuse. This protects the console and prevents brownouts. Now, confirm the boot screen shows the correct model before proceeding. You now complete the initial software setup and calibration so data is accurate. Begin the quick start. Choose language, units in feet or meters, and correct time zone, then select the sonar type that matches your transducer. Once done, perform tilt and compass calibration on calm water. This aligns heading and reduces drift, and you should use auto-calibrate if present. Make sure sonar frequency settings match target depth. Use higher KHC for detail, lower for deeper water, then save the profile before moving on. You finish by conducting practical checks. Drive a slow survey pass at 5 to 10 mph and mark waypoints while recording sonar. This fills contour maps and validates settings. Next, adjust sensitivity and noise rejection until returns are crisp. Use split screen to monitor sonar and GPS simultaneously so you see both fish and position. If screens are blank or noisy, reboot, inspect transducer connection and ground. Try a known good SD card, then rerun firmware update. This sequence fixes most issues and gets you fishing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.